Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects millions worldwide: diabetes. Whether you're living with diabetes, have a loved one who does, or are simply interested in maintaining a healthy lifestyle, this video is for you. Diabetes is a complex metabolic disorder characterized by high blood sugar levels. It occurs when the body either doesn't produce enough insulin or can't effectively use the insulin it produces. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar, allowing it to enter cells for energy. The pancreas, a crucial organ, plays a central role. In type 1 diabetes, the immune system mistakenly attacks and destroys insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. This leads to a lifelong dependence on insulin injections. Type 2 diabetes, on the other hand, is often related to lifestyle factors like poor diet and lack of exercise. Over time, the body becomes resistant to insulin's effects, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Managing diabetes requires a multifaceted approach. Lifestyle changes, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper medication if prescribed, are crucial for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Today, we're focusing on the power of nutrition. While there's no cure for diabetes, the right foods can play a significant role in managing blood sugar and reducing the risk of complications. So, let's explore the best foods that can help you take control of your diabetes journey. Now, without further ado, let's delve into the world of diabetes-friendly foods that can make a positive impact on your health. 1. Non-starchy vegetables. First, let's focus on a foundational element of a diabetes-friendly diet: non-starchy vegetables. These nutrient-packed greens are a crucial part of managing blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. Let's dive into why they play such a vital role. Non-starchy vegetables are a diverse group that includes leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and others that are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. Non-starchy vegetables are naturally low in carbohydrates, which means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This makes them an excellent choice for individuals with diabetes who need to carefully manage their carbohydrate intake. Fiber is a standout feature of non-starchy vegetables. It's essential for regulating blood sugar levels because it helps slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing rapid spikes. Additionally, fiber promotes satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied after a meal. Non-starchy vegetables are incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. These include vitamin C, potassium, folate, and various antioxidants. These nutrients are vital for overall health, supporting immune function, heart health, and more. Because they are low in calories, non-starchy vegetables are an excellent option for those looking to manage their weight. You can enjoy a generous portion without significantly impacting your calorie intake, making them a valuable asset in weight management efforts. Non-starchy vegetables are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can enjoy them raw in salads, steam or roast them as side dishes, or incorporate them into soups and stews. This versatility makes it easy to include them in a wide range of meals. Incorporating non-starchy vegetables into your diet is a smart move. 2. Whole grains. Now, let's turn our attention to a vital component of a balanced and diabetes-friendly diet: whole grains. These nutrient-rich foods provide a wealth of benefits, particularly for those managing blood sugar levels. Whole grains encompass a diverse range of grains, including wheat, barley, oats, quinoa, and brown rice, among others. They differ from refined grains in that they contain all parts of the grain kernel, the bran, germ, and endosperm. This makes them a nutritional powerhouse. Let's delve into why they're so crucial. One of the standout features of whole grains is their high fiber content. This dietary fiber is crucial for managing blood sugar levels as it helps slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose. Additionally, it supports digestive health and promotes a feeling of fullness. Whole grains provide a steady release of energy due to their complex carbohydrate structure. This means they're digested more slowly compared to refined grains. This steady release of energy can help maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Whole grains are rich in essential nutrients, including B vitamins like folate and minerals like iron and magnesium. These nutrients play crucial roles in energy metabolism, immune function, and overall well-being. They're a valuable addition to a balanced diet. Whole grains generally have a lower glycemic index compared to refined grains. This means they have a smaller impact on blood sugar levels. Choosing whole grains can help prevent rapid spikes in blood glucose and promote better blood sugar control. The versatility of whole grains in the kitchen is impressive. They can be used in a wide range of dishes, from salads and soups to side dishes and even desserts. This makes it easy to incorporate them into your meals in creative and delicious ways. Incorporating whole grains into your diet is a wise choice for anyone, but it's especially important for those managing diabetes. They offer a wealth of nutrients, fiber, and complex carbohydrates that support stable blood sugar levels and overall health. 3. Legumes. Now, let's delve into an incredibly valuable category of foods for managing diabetes: legumes. This group includes beans and lentils, and they're powerhouse ingredients for anyone looking to stabilize blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Legumes are a rich source of plant-based protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They offer a unique combination of nutrients that can significantly benefit individuals with diabetes. Let's break down why they are such a fantastic addition to your diet. One of the standout features of legumes is their high fiber content. Fiber is incredibly beneficial for managing diabetes as it helps slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. This steady release of energy is particularly important for those striving to maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. Legumes have a low glycemic index, which means they have a smaller impact on blood sugar levels compared to high-carb foods. This is due to their complex carbohydrate structure, which takes longer to digest. As a result, they provide a sustained source of energy without causing sharp spikes in blood sugar. For individuals with diabetes, it's crucial to focus on sources of lean protein. Legumes fit the bill perfectly. They offer a substantial amount of plant-based protein, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote overall satiety. This makes them an excellent option for those looking to manage their weight. In addition to their impressive fiber and protein content, legumes are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. These include folate, potassium, magnesium, and iron, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining overall health and supporting bodily functions. One of the best things about legumes is their versatility in cooking. From soups and stews to salads and even meatless burgers, there are countless ways to incorporate them into your meals. This makes it easy to enjoy their health benefits while savoring a variety of delicious flavors and textures. Incorporating legumes into your diet is a smart move for anyone, but especially for those managing diabetes. 4. Lean proteins. Now, let's turn our attention to another essential component of a diabetes-friendly diet: lean proteins. These are a cornerstone for managing blood sugar levels and overall health. Let's dive into why incorporating lean proteins is so crucial. Lean proteins are a vital part of a balanced diet, especially for individuals with diabetes. They offer high-quality nutrition without the added saturated fats found in some high-fat meats. When it comes to blood sugar regulation, lean proteins play a pivotal role. They have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels because they are digested slowly, providing a steady release of energy. This can help prevent rapid spikes and dips in blood glucose. Another significant benefit of lean proteins is their ability to promote satiety. They help you feel full and satisfied, which can be particularly important for those managing their weight. By including lean proteins in your meals, you're less likely to experience hunger cravings and overeat. Lean proteins are naturally low in saturated fats, which is crucial for heart health. This is especially important for individuals with diabetes, as they are at a higher risk of cardiovascular complications. Choosing lean cuts of meat and incorporating other low-fat protein sources can help mitigate this risk. Lean proteins are also packed with essential nutrients like B vitamins, iron, and zinc. These nutrients are vital for various bodily functions, including energy metabolism, immune function, and the production of red blood cells. Including lean proteins in your diet ensures you're getting a good dose of these essential nutrients. The great thing about lean proteins is the wide variety of options available. From poultry like chicken and turkey, to fish, tofu, legumes, and lean cuts of beef or pork, there are plenty of delicious and nutritious choices to suit any palate or dietary preference. Incorporating lean proteins into your diet is a smart move for anyone, especially those managing diabetes. 5. Healthy fats. In our journey toward understanding a diabetes-friendly diet, let's turn our focus to a group of nutrients that often gets a bad rap but is essential for overall health: healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, these fats play a critical role in managing diabetes and promoting well-being. Let's explore why. Healthy fats, also known as unsaturated fats, come in two main forms: monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. One of the key benefits of healthy fats is their role in improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is a common issue in diabetes, where the body's cells become less responsive to insulin signals. Healthy fats can help enhance insulin sensitivity, making it easier for glucose to enter cells and stabilize blood sugar levels. Individuals with diabetes are at an increased risk of cardiovascular complications. Healthy fats can help mitigate this risk. They have been shown to reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease, which is a common concern for those with diabetes. Healthy fats play a role in promoting satiety, helping you feel full and satisfied after a meal. This can be particularly valuable for individuals managing their weight, as it can reduce the likelihood of overeating and snacking between meals. Healthy fats are rich in essential nutrients such as omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and are crucial for brain health. Additionally, they provide fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that supports immune function. You can find healthy fats in a variety of delicious foods, including avocados, nuts, seeds, olives, and fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. These foods not only provide healthy fats but also bring a burst of flavor and texture to your meals. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet is a wise choice for anyone, but it's especially important for those managing diabetes. 6. Fruits in moderation. Now, let's shift our focus to a naturally sweet and nutritious group of foods: fruits. For individuals managing diabetes, incorporating fruits in moderation can be a beneficial part of a balanced diet. Let's explore why this approach is crucial. Fruits are a rich source of essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They offer a wide array of health benefits, but when managing diabetes, it's important to enjoy them in moderation. Here's why striking the right balance is key. Fruits contain natural sugars, which can cause a rise in blood sugar levels. However, they also come bundled with dietary fiber. This fiber helps slow down the absorption of sugar, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose. It also promotes a feeling of fullness and supports digestive health. Different fruits have varying glycemic index values, which indicate how quickly they raise blood sugar levels. Fruits with a lower glycemic index have a more gradual impact on blood glucose, making them a better choice for individuals with diabetes. Berries, cherries, and apples are good options. They provide valuable nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and various phytochemicals. These nutrients are vital for overall health, supporting the immune system, heart function, and much more. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to managing diabetes. Factors like personal tolerance to carbohydrates and individual blood sugar responses can vary. Incorporating fruits in moderation is a smart strategy for anyone, especially those managing diabetes. 7. Cinnamon. Now, let's turn our attention to a flavorful spice that has been the subject of much interest in the realm of diabetes management: cinnamon. This aromatic spice not only adds a delightful twist to dishes but also holds potential benefits for individuals with diabetes. Cinnamon has been used for centuries, not only for its distinctive taste but also for its potential health-promoting properties. Here's why cinnamon deserves attention in a diabetes-friendly diet. Cinnamon contains bioactive compounds, particularly cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, and cinnamate, which are believed to be responsible for its potential health benefits. These compounds have shown promising effects in studies related to insulin sensitivity and blood sugar regulation. Research suggests that cinnamon may help improve insulin sensitivity. This means that it may enhance the cell's ability to respond to insulin, facilitating the entry of glucose from the bloodstream into cells for energy. This can lead to better blood sugar control. Cinnamon may also have an impact on carbohydrate metabolism. Some studies suggest that it can slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, leading to a more gradual release of sugar into the bloodstream. This can help prevent rapid spikes in blood glucose levels after meals. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Antioxidants play a crucial role in overall health and may have a positive impact on various aspects of diabetes management. Incorporating cinnamon into your diet can be a delightful experience. You can add it to oatmeal, yogurt, smoothies, or even use it in baking and cooking. It's a versatile spice that not only enhances flavor but also brings potential health benefits to your meals. 8. Vinegar. In our quest to understand the nuances of managing diabetes through diet, let's explore a kitchen staple with some surprising potential: vinegar. Vinegar has garnered attention for its potential benefits in blood sugar regulation. Join us as we delve into the details. Vinegar, a fermented liquid made from various sources, is not only a versatile ingredient in culinary endeavors. The key player in vinegar's potential benefits is acetic acid, a substance that gives vinegar its sour taste. Acetic acid has been the focus of research on how vinegar may impact blood sugar levels. Studies have suggested that vinegar may enhance insulin sensitivity, which is vital for those with diabetes. By improving the body's response to insulin, vinegar may help glucose enter cells more efficiently, thus aiding in blood sugar control. One of the fascinating effects of vinegar is its potential to slow down the digestion of carbohydrates. When you consume vinegar with a high-carb meal, it can reduce the rate at which carbohydrates are broken down, leading to a more gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Vinegar may also contribute to feelings of fullness and satiety, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. This can be beneficial for weight management, which is a significant aspect of diabetes care. Incorporating vinegar into your diet is simple and can add a burst of flavor to your meals. You can use it in salad dressings, marinades, and even as a condiment. Apple cider vinegar and white vinegar are among the popular choices. While vinegar shows promise in diabetes management. And there you have it, our top 8 foods for managing diabetes. Incorporating these nutrient-rich options into your diet can make a significant positive impact on your blood sugar levels and overall health. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more valuable content on managing diabetes, nutrition, and overall well-being. Together, we can take proactive steps towards better health.